How are you all today? I hope that you are all just fine. Today I am going to talk about a problem that we generally face all the time, especially after a fresh Windows installation. After installing Windows, we are given different softwares by default. Like for playing media player, we have in Windows 10 Movies app, and for playing music, we have Groove Music. And in Windows 7 or Windows 8.1, we have Windows Media Player, and also different kinds of default softwares that are given there by default in Windows installation. However, in our day-to-day work, we do need different kinds of free softwares that are almost necessary to have, like PDF readers, or like different kinds of media players like GOM player, or different kind of browsers. What we actually do whenever we need them, especially after a fresh Windows installation, or whenever we go to the specific software sites, like in Google Chrome, we go to the Chrome download site and download the browser, and for Firefox we go to their site and download the browser. After downloading, we go through the steps of setting up the software and setting up the default settings. And like for Skype, we also do the same way. If we need different kinds of security softwares, we go to different kinds of security antivirus software websites, individual websites. That is the main point. And this point, meaning that we need to go to different websites to get different softwares and install them manually, gets a lot of time, meaning we need to spend more time on them before using the software that we need. A scenario that I can discuss is that all of a sudden someone gave you a PDF file, and you want to start working on it, or you want to read that file, and you get to see that there is no PDF reader in your um, computer, and you have to go online to download the software again. And like you are given again another scenario that you are given a Python file, you need to run it, but you see that you don't have a Python installed on your computer. In most cases, you also the developer do need Java and Python. However, even you download a movie from the internet and you don't have the codecs for it, and you go download VLC, but you don't have internet at the time, then you need to get the set of files from someone else or your previous storage, and install the software. Then you can go forward watching that movie or whatever. Especially the thing that happens is in cases of zip files you get and you forget to download the zip software, and you go to the internet. So the situation is that you every time there are different softwares that are available online. When you need them, you download them and install them. And in old installation of Windows, sometimes the browsers, the softwares that we downloaded and installed get outdated, and we need to update again, go to their sites and download and go follow all the process again. This is time consuming and wastes a lot of time and wastes some of my for efforts. And for that purpose, I am suggesting a software, a special type of bot that will make the whole process that I was talking about, or the scenarios that I was talking about, very easy. And that software is known as Ninite, and you can go to ninite.com or ninite.com, however you pronounce it depends on you. It's a bot, or a kind of bot, that automatically does all the process that I was talking about earlier, meaning that it downloads the softwares that you need, installs them in the background, and make you ready to use them. All you need to do is you need to come to this page and select the software that you need. Like I need Chrome, I need Firefox, I need from AVG, or I need VLC media player, I need as a developer Python, Java. So I will select these all the softwares that you need. these are all freely available in their independent sites, and these are listed as a category, so you can choose them easily, like PDF readers, Foxit Reader. And after deciding that these are the softwares that you need, you have to go down, scroll a bit, and get your Nanite, meaning that you will be given an exe file. If you click on this, you will be given an exe file. A download will start, and here your installer will begin downloading shortly. You need to run that exe file. My download has started already, and I will show you the download in a minute as it downloads in the background. And after downloading the software, what you have to do is just go to that file. You just keep that file. This is the logo of Nanite. You just keep the file in your desktop or wherever. Just double click on it, and it will go on the internet and give you a list. It will ask for permission, and you need to give that permission to it. It will start preparing the downloads. Like here, I already have Firefox installed in my computer. However, it's backdated, means it needs updating. It will automatically update and uninstall or replace the previous version with the new version that is downloading now. If you don't need, if you already have the updated software, it will not download it, and you don't need to click install, next, or agree to licenses or whatever. You just start this software, it will automatically download from the internet, install them or update them, whichever needed. And at any time you can cancel. The last process that executed will be kept in memory, meaning that it will actually check for update versions, and it will start from the next software that you didn't install or didn't update it. I'm cancelling the setup now because I don't need to update at the moment. So you can keep this file, or even you can download other packages as you go forward. I think this software will actually help a lot of you, especially the beginners who are just learning to install Windows and getting started with these freewares or these softwares, and also the experts who didn't know this solution. Even I think many of you already knew this solution, knew about Nanite, but you can use this software to uh, shorten the time that you wasted on downloading from the individual websites and installing them. So I think it will help. This concept or this knowledge will help many of you, and only requirement is that you do need to have internet, because the software needs internet to download and to check for updates. And after doing all the work, it will just give you a report that it have completed these softwares are updated, these softwares are installed, or something like that. So that's all. Internet is a must whenever you run it, for updating or for downloading fresh versions of softwares. These softwares, there are a lot of them, so I don't think in general we do not need more than these. However, those that are not included here need to be downloaded from the individual websites. So that's all in this video. I think many of you will be happy to know about Nanite. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share as usual, and I will see you in my next video, and we'll be coming up with more software videos in my recent slew of videos. So stay tuned. Thank you very much.